Brand your event. I am your AI avatar, ready to showcase the key features and functionalities of myOnvent. In this video tutorial, you will be introduced to the following myOnvent features: effectively brand and add additional content to your event's homepage, brand your lobby and auditorium. When you host an event on the myOnvent platform, you don't need to create a separate landing page for presenting it. Let's look into building an event's landing page that will help you reach your goals and showcase your event in the best way. Head to the Event Info tab in the top menu, and click on Homepage in the sidebar. You will start with your homepage description, which allows you to set your header info and description of your event or other details you would like to share. Scroll down to upload the homepage background image, and you can even set an overlay color according to your event's branding. You can preview what your homepage will look like by clicking on the preview button on the top right of this section at any time. To add speakers, sponsors, partners, or exhibitors to your homepage, go down to the respective section of the Event Info tab. Click on the Add Speakers, Sponsors, Partners, or Exhibitors button and fill in the name and description, as well as any social media pages and website link that you'd like to share. To brand your lobby, navigate to the Event Info tab on your organizer dashboard, and click on the Lobby section in the sidebar. The info screen is found above the receptionist's avatar. This is a screen where a video or an image can be added. A banner is displayed at ground level next to the receptionist's avatar. This banner will also be shown in the auditorium. To add a banner, head to the Event Info tab of your organizer dashboard, choose the Lobby menu from the sidebar, and click on Banner. Staying in the Lobby menu in the sidebar, head now to the section called Logos. Click on Upload, then choose a logo or image using the recommended image ratio and click Save. Logos will appear between your auditorium and exhibitor doors. Also, you can choose from 4 lobby designs and 3 auditorium options. You will find it under the Render section in the sidebar of the Event Info tab. Each option that you click on has a preview that you can enlarge. Click Save when you've made your choice for the lobby, and again for the auditorium. If these options aren't quite the right fit for you, or if you want to add additional branding, you can also order a custom 3D rendering. To explore this possibility, please contact myOnvent. To add a different auditorium banner, head to your auditorium tab and scroll down to upload the image. Thank you for your attention. We hope this tutorial has empowered you to create engaging and memorable events. We invite you to check out our further video tutorials or in-depth PDF documentation. For any further questions, please get in touch with us via email at contact@myonvent.com.